Okay, so here is this 1977 Hoover Convertible U4119. This particular model was available for about $50 back in the day. I believe they ran this model for about 10 or 12 years. I think it's continued in the late 80s, maybe the early 90s. And it's just a pretty sturdy vacuum overall. It cleans very well. And it's actually quite quiet, to be honest. Like the Ruka effigies, I think they're better built, and I like them more. But the convertibles are a lot lighter weight and easier to push, and they're also a lot quieter. Anyhow, so if we sit outside here, this has these big beater bars. Actually, how about let's turn that so that this thing don't turn on down here. So move this around. It has very stiff whistles. It has two rows. They're removable bars. They're incredibly stiff. They aren't extremely long, but they're fairly long. They're long enough to get good performance out of them. Got big beater bars. Whistl's pretty rusted out. Got a fan inside here. Particular model is 4.3 amps. Bag Type C. Made in North Canton, Ohio. Made in USA. Actually, from 1984, okay. So, yeah, it's got a fairly new bag in it. got this particular one in 2023 for free at Facebook Marketplace because my grandpa went to buy a Hoover Softening Light Supreme, the one that I've seen shown before on the channel, for about $25, and then he gave me this one for free. Yeah, so it's in pretty good condition. The motor does seem to put out a little bit of like a musty smell, but that ain't from the motor, that's just from it being pretty old. So, let's see how this old guy runs. But I put a new belt in it. I also tightened the screw up on here because it was kind of falling out. The switch was kind of falling off. Let's go. This might be touching. Just a little bit. Despite it still being a little bit new according to Dan Klein, I still don't like to bog it down a whole lot because it's so old. See, get a little bit back. See it better. Oh yeah. Anyhow, this thing just looks beautiful, and I love the way the bag puffs up. I'm getting the Santerre Tradition SC679K, I think it's the cheapest like sanitary oven design that they have right now. And I'm planning on buying it because it seems like it would be a good comparison for this one. And they made these for a long time. This, I think, is one of the most cheapest convertibles that you could get at the time. Has a, I don't know if this cord is even 20 foot. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it's 10 foot. So, yeah. Please subscribe. Leave comments as always. Thursday dinner. Peace.